In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to upload images in Dreamstime. It is super simple to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Dreamstime on any browser that you have and log into your account. And if you don't already have an account, then you can sign up with the link down in the description down below. Then from here, you need to go up to upload a file, and then this page should be popping up. Then from here, you can add or drop the file here. And I want to upload this file right here. And as you can see now, the media file has been uploaded. And then it's gonna take some time to progress. And that is really depending on how fast your internet is. Like so. And as you can see now, the image has been uploaded. Then from here, you need to click on it. And then you can add in the title. So I'm gonna choose this title right here. I'm going to select the description too. Then from here, you can see categories. And when it's images, it will automatically fill these out. And if these are wrong, you can just go in and change them if you want to do that. Then from here, you need to go down to keywords and then add in your keywords. And again, they will automatically do that too. Then from here, you can go over to license type, where you can go into commercial RF, where you can add a model release and a probability release. And this basically means that if you take a picture of, let's say, Starbucks, then you need to have the permission from Starbucks themselves to actually upload and profit from that picture. Then from here, you simply need to go down and click submit commercial, like so. And as you can see now, down here, image has been submitted successfully. Then over here under review, you'll see the image being here. And now Dreamstime will take a look at that image you have uploaded and determine whether or not that image is should be a part of their catalog. And if it should, then the image will automatically go over to your account. And if not, it will be over at refused files. And then there will be an explanation why they have refused the picture. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!